Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your influence with LinkedIn easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Use a professional profile picture that reflects your brand. Craft a compelling headline that clearly defines what you do. Write a strong summary that tells your story and highlights your expertise. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Connect with colleagues, industry leaders, and potential clients to grow your network. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry to engage with like-minded professionals. Participate in discussions to showcase your knowledge and insights. Share valuable content, such as articles or posts, that resonate with your audience. Use a consistent posting schedule to keep your network engaged. Comment on and share posts from others to build relationships. Tag connections in your posts to encourage engagement and increase visibility. Leverage LinkedIn's publishing platform to write longer articles on topics relevant to your field. Monitor your engagement statistics to understand what content resonates best. Continuously refine your strategy based on feedback and insights from your audience. Seek endorsements and recommendations to boost your credibility. Consider using LinkedIn ads to reach a wider audience strategically. Finally, stay active and authentic to build lasting relationships on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.